Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Outlook synced. Now move fast. First, create a few top-level folders so items land in predictable places and enable focused inbox to reduce noise. Next, run a quick search for newsletters and move them to a dedicated folder. This clears visual clutter instantly. Once done, set deleted items retention to a short period so mistakes are recoverable. This prevents accidental permanent loss while keeping things tidy. Make sure to use clear folder names for speed. Now you automate repetitive work. Create rules that auto-move newsletters, vendors, and priority senders into folders. This saves minutes each day. Then design quick steps that combine categorize, move, and reply for common workflows. Press once, several actions happen. Use flags with due dates for true action items and snooze messages you can't process now, so they reappear when relevant. These steps reduce decision fatigue and keep your inbox focused on real work, not random noise. Finish with a predictable weekly routine. Spend 15 minutes processing your action folder and clearing snoozed emails. This keeps backlog from growing. Archive older mail into yearly PSDs or use online archive to keep search fast and compact data files periodically. If something goes wrong, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Restart Outlook first, then check account settings. If mail still won't sync, run the inbox repair tool or recreate the account. That usually resolves corrupt OSD issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.